Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss on nothing but we are going to create a Windows Form applications today. Okay, so we are using our Visual Studio with C Sharp for developing such a wonderful, simple Windows Form application. So, in this tutorial, it will be a short video which will help you to create a project and create an application. After that you can run that application as well. Okay, so we are using Visual Studio as an IDE, which means the integrated development environment, and we will create a simple application which is basically based on Windows based user interface, that is UI. So I will go to Visual Studio 2019 for the day. So here we are going to create a new project. So first we will create a C# application project. We need to create a project for creating an application. So here we will open, after this opening Visual Studio 2019, here is a window. So we will create a new project. We will click on that create a new project panel which is available here. After that the dialog box will open. So here the create new project window is open now. So we will choose which type of application we have to develop. So we are going to develop that Windows Form application. So we are selecting such type. So we are using the C# language, and it will be like Windows platform, and it is like an desktop application. So we will use this refine search for what the template we want to select. So we will go with what the C# desktop and Windows enabled Windows Form application, which is supported by .NET framework. So we will click this, and we will click the button next, which is found bottom of the create a new project. So we will click on next button. So there will be a next pop-up window, which is a window we can select what. Here we have to configure our project. So we have to enter our project name. If we have any updation in that solution name, we can update the solution name, what type of framework is used here. All things are discussed over here. So the project name will be something like hello MES. So I am setting the name as hello MES. So it is automatically the name is coming here, hello MES, as a solution name. So here .NET framework 4.7.2 is what it is supported here. Then I am going forward. So I have just clicking this create button. So when I am clicking this button, the Visual Studio will open our project. Okay, so here we are going to create the application. So here we have created our project, and after that the Visual Studio window will appear. So here it is the menu that we have available by Visual Studio. Here these tools can be used for what create an application. So after that a project template and name of our file, this is the form available for us. So this is called what the Windows Form. So a form is available here. So this is the user interface available here. We will create what hello MES application. Okay, so we are going to create an hello MES application by adding some controls to the form, and we will run the app. Okay, so first of all, this is a window that we have available, and it is a form 1. Okay, so we are going to set up that test, which means this is a text that will be displayed over here. We can see that form 1 here. So I will change that name to what? Hello. Okay, so it will be look like this. The name is changed over here. Then I am going to what, add a button to the form. So we can choose from the toolbox available in the left side. So here the toolbox is available. There are a lot of buttons and controls are available in that toolbox. Also we can search here using this. So I am trying to create an application, build an application. So here I am searching for a button. So when I am clicking on that button, the application will show what, something, a message. Okay, that's the thing I am going to do. So I am looking forward for a button and I got this one. So either you can click it and drag it over here, okay, or you can what, just click it over here and you can drag it like this. Okay, so I am selecting a button over here. Then after selecting this button thing, then I am going to do one thing. We can what, set the properties of that button. So here button 1, we can see the name button 1 here. So we are going to move on the properties window of this button. So this is the properties window available for that particular button. So here first the thing we are going to do is we are renaming that button. Okay, so we are renaming that button into what, click here. Okay, CLICK here. Okay, so I am changing that name like that. Okay, and we can also what, change the property of the text type and all thing. So here we can set the type, or we can change the size and all. So I am changing this type into A26 and it will be bold. Okay, so I have changed it, so it will be like this. Okay, so I have changed it. And then if you are not able to find this property window here, you just click that F4 key, function 4 key, then it will be, you can access that properties window. Okay, so this is available in the right corner of the window. And next we will go for the design section. So we will go for the design section. Yes, design section is available here, and there is a name available here, button 1. So this button 1, this is the name that is used for coding. So we have to code this name, because if we are using this button, the button name for coding will be button 1. So I am just changing this number to button click here. So this is the name I have updated. So I am giving button click here, and then I have added what, I am going to add one label to that. Okay, so I am going to search which label. So here one label is, I have selected it and click and drag here, and I have selected it. Okay, so for the label also, here the properties window, I am giving what, I am giving that labels name. So the name which can be used. So I am going to rename it as what, hello MES. Okay, hello MES. Okay, or I will do one thing, I will change that name into LBL, which means label hello MES. Okay, so this is the name I am changed, and I am also changing what, the text. So this is the thing that it is displayed over here. So I will what, do one thing, I will delete the name, so no name will be displayed over here. Okay, then I will add an property, which means I will configure that name to A16 and a bold, and it will be an Microsoft another font type. Okay, okay, so then this is okay now. Then I have to do is, what I have to do is, I have to click, right, I have to click that button. Once the button is clicked, then it will show what, hello mes like. Okay, so I am going to add that thing to the what code to that form. Okay, so here phone1.cs design is available. I am going to what click here. So I am going to click that button, double clicking that button, the another window will open. Take a look here. So by double clicking this button I got one another new window here. So this is the code part. Okay, so I am already given one name. What for this button, you can check here what is the button name. Button click here, right? And also I have created one label here, right? So I am going to do one thing. So I have assigning that label name, what, LBL hello mes. We can use tab for auto selecting that. Text dot text is equal to what, hello mes. Okay, then put a semicolon. Okay, so that's done. Then I'm going to what, run this thing. I'm clicking on that start button. So the compiling, the building is going on there, and after that the pop-up window is coming. So this is the what, this is the application we have created. So we have to do one thing, what, we have to click here. When I click here, the message is shown hello mes. Okay, so then I want to close this application. We can use what, here we can see that the memory usage of that application, and we can record the CPU profile or all these things, and if any error and all these things, it will be displayed over here, and the other details will be what, displayed over here. So this is a simple application. I hope you can understand this. So kindly use this video and make it helpful for you. Okay, so thank you for watching, and hope you have understand all things very well. Thank you.